Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the lack of photo mode in the TikTok app. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's get down to our topic. To do this, you'll need to open your phone settings and then scroll down to the bottom. And in the search box, type in the word TikTok and you'll see this app. Click on it. Next, go to the Photos section. And if you have a photo active right here, or you have restricted access, then you'll need to switch to the very last one. Line, so you'll have access to your photos and your gallery in the TikTok app. If this method doesn't work, go back to your phone settings. Then scroll down. Go to Basic. Then iPhone Memory. Wait for everything to load and then go to TikTok as well. And here you will need to click on the Unload button. Once you've unloaded your TikTok app, you will need to in a few minutes. Also click on Reinstall here. After reinstalling the application, all your settings, all your corrupted files, all your cache, everything that was corrupted on your TikTok application, it will be deleted because that way the app will be updated. If this method doesn't work for you either, then you'll need to click Delete App. After which you will have to download the app again. But let me tell you right away that when you unload and reload your TikTok, then all the data will remain and you will only need to log into your TikTok page. But if you uninstall the app and then re-upload it to try to fix your error, then in this way your data will disappear. Friends, these are the ways you can try to fix the lack of photo mode in TikTok app. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write comments. And see you soon.